Hi, I'm here to teach you how to make these paper cones out of recycled paper and to substitute plastic bags for little items like you want to buy a little bit of screws or nails or your threads or some almonds. So all of that you can package in these neat little recycled paper packages. So I'm going to show you how to make them. You take this is better. Your recycled paper, it can be from a magazine, it can be newsprint, it can be from junk mail, scrap paper from copiers, old phone books. You can even use larger papers if you want to hold larger items. And you just fold it in a diagonal. And then fold the tab that remains. Fold that over. And then you have this shape left. You fold it like a triangle upwards, leaving this little space. So you have a tab and a little pocket. So you put the tab, fold it over, and put the tab that remains inside the pocket. And there you go. You have your paper cone. And it's ready to hold. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. You can hold bunch of nails. You went to the hardware store and they package your stuff in one of these instead of using a plastic bag. And you tuck it back in and you have like this little package that you can come home and you can take your stuff home and not use plastic. Where I live, they have them. Where I live, they used to have all of like a bunch stacked already to use at the market, and you can also package, for example, your almonds. When you go, now that there's more bulk stores around, you can buy your stuff in bulk, so there's less packaging. You can use these for packaging. Also, with more practice, people just can make these on the go. I'm gonna try. I don't have that much practice, but it's something like this. So you don't even need a flat space. You can just do it on the go. I don't know if this one is as good as the other ones, but let's see if it holds. Yeah. So with a little practice you can do it on the go. Yeah, and you have your little package of nails. And you didn't use plastic. So try it.